Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about if your HughesNet is not working, how you can troubleshoot and how you can fix your internet. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there are two main reasons. The reason behind your net is not working, maybe some temporary issue or maybe you can select server down. So first of all what you have to do, you need to unplug your router. Okay, so if you have any router or if you have any device, you just need to simply remove each and every wire from your router. Like first of all you need to remove your power cable, and then one by one you can remove your all the cables and wait for 10 seconds and reattach each and every cable. And once you restart your router, you will see your internet will fix. If this problem is still exists, what you have to do, you need to contact HughesNet customer support team, and then you need to tell them that your internet is not working, and then they will guide you there is a outage in your area or not. If there is a temporary issue, they will guide you, and if the issue is related to billing at all, they will also tell you. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can check or by which you can fix your internet is not working problem. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.